With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi guys, here's the question. Hexagonal close packing is found in crystal lattice of. Okay, so let's know about hexagonal close packing, HCP. Okay, we know that in case of hexagonal close packing, the coordination number is that is 12. Okay, so the similar case for magnesium lattice. Okay, so for Mg, the coordination number is that is also 12. Okay, so the hexagonal close packing is found in the crystal lattice of magnesium. Okay, so the correct option is B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.